Guys, what a day we're having at Unity today. It's fantastic. We've got 2 brand new caravans delivered today, and we've got the big sale coming up the weekend. So if you're interested in coming to the exhibition, we've got the Lodge exhibition. If you're interested in coming down here, contact Shane and he'll give you his number in a minute. Alright, this is a Can XL. Can XL, this is plastic, okay? Galvanised with plastic, Shane, okay? So this is top of the range, yeah? Okay? Come with me and have a look inside. It's a Sheraton Elite Lodge, yeah? It's nearly 40 foot long and just under 14 foot wide, Shane.
That's massive.
You've got to imagine it now, okay? With the decking on the front, yeah? So these doors will open out onto your decking, 8 foot decking or 10 foot decking on the front, decking around the side, sweep it round to the door, yeah? 6 berth, 2 bed, Willoughby Sheraton, top of the range.
Amazing.
It's nice, isn't it?
Look at the depth in those windowsills, Nigel.
Well,
is that timber?
this, mate, to be honest, right, is residential spec.
Wow.
So, you don't sound that excited. Well, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's
Loads
beautiful,
of plug
mate.
Points.
Beautiful.
There's a sofa bed under there, by the way.
Lovely colours.
Yeah. Nice as well, quite unique because the table is in just off the kitchen. So if they spill any juice, right, or put any stuff on the 4 kids, because it's your pride and joy, you can just wipe it off. But look at this in here, mate.
What?
Isn't this handy for when you're
That's amazing, mate.
handy when you're on holiday?
Yeah,
Washing machine.
definitely.
Come off the
100%.
beach.
Yeah.
Then you've got a dishwasher.
Oof, that's really handy, that,
Yeah.
mate.
So
I
the
hate
missus
doing
can
it.
have some more wine.
Yes.
Yeah. Gorgeous, right? It's missing a cupboard, by the way.
Oh, we got that. That's in the office.
It's come now, is it?
Yeah.
Well, it's got everything you can think of. This
Kev
one.
needs to put that up.
I don't know. I can't imagine a nicer van than the Willoughby. Can you?
No, I can't, mate.
It's absolutely stunning, and it's. I like the newness of it. The smell is nice.
Yeah.
Come and have a
very
look at
nice.
the back end because I've got something nice to show you. Yeah. Come straight down the back. This is the main bedroom, okay? Loads of space.
I love that, mate.
Walk-in wardrobe. Let me show you the walk-in wardrobe.
Amazing.
Nice pink curtains.
Beautiful.
It's a bit dark, sorry, but you can look and you can feel for the
Loads
space.
of room in there.
So,
Great.
as I said, a Willoughby Sheraton. We've only got one of these, and then when it's gone, it's gone. Yeah. How much is this one, Shane? I can't remember.
Oh, 124,995.
And we'll do a deal then. That's with the decking and the side face.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah, we'll
Get
do a
on.
special offer this one. Come in here, guys. It's got a full-size bath,
What?
so they can have a bath, right?
That's amazing.
Glass of wine away from all the kids.
Beautiful. Get the candles on.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Essential.
Do you like it?
I love it, mate. I like this feature headboard.
Well, there's lights built under it.
Fantastic.
Got
Amazing.
lights under there.
Reading lamps.
Reading lights. You've got the
Oh.
switches by the side of the bed. Yeah. So it's so easy for you just not to get out of bed. You've got the socket points if you want to put a TV on the wall here, Shane. So you can have kids can have TV in the lounge. You can have your own private TV. Yeah. Then you've got another toilet and a shower. Okay, there. All right. Nothing special, just what it is.
Lovely.
Do you like the rustic doors?
I love those doors, mate. I love that colour.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then you've got another bedroom which you can put the beds together in there.
Yeah, that's why the headboard spans the whole width of the wall there.
Is it?
That's exactly right. Yeah.
Loads of cupboard space in the lounge, yeah. Hook us up, guys, if you're interested. Come down and have a look at it. Thanks for watching. Shane, what's your number?
07813 967 436.
Perfect. Hey, happy days.